Imagine a high school senior launching a freelance design business using AI tools to generate client logos while earning cryptocurrency for their work. Meanwhile, in their personal finance class, they're exploring how stock options trading works on platforms supported by artificial intelligence. This isn't a futuristic vision. This is already happening in classrooms that are adapting fast. But many schools are still treating financial literacy like a worksheet unit on compound interest, missing the massive shift in how money, labor, and automation interact today. To prepare students for this new landscape, we need to stop teaching financial literacy as if we live in the 1990s. AI is not just changing how students learn, it's also transforming how they work, earn, and invest. So what does it look like to teach financial literacy that's truly future-ready? Let's start with cryptocurrency. Whether or not you believe its long-term viability, crypto represents a shift in how we think about value. Students don't need to become crypto evangelists, but they do need to understand digital wallets, decentralized finance, and the volatility of unregulated markets. One lesson might involve students comparing traditional savings accounts with digital currencies, exploring what risks and opportunities each model presents. This can prompt debates about privacy, accessibility, and financial equity that help students think critically instead of being seduced by hype. Now let's talk about stock options. AI tools now allow anyone with a smartphone to receive instant analysis of call and put options, trend predictions, and portfolio alerts. Teaching students about options trading can't just be about formulas. They need to understand what it means to take financial risks, how leveraging works, and how quickly AI tools can give them a false sense of confidence. You might design a mock trading simulation in class where students use demo accounts to explore the differences between long-term investment strategies and short-term speculative plays. By reflecting on what happens when an AI tool recommends something they didn't understand, they begin to build discernment and healthy skepticism. But the biggest disruptor for students may be the gig economy, especially the one powered by AI. Tools like Fiverr, Upwork, and even ChatGPT are enabling students to launch side hustles before they graduate. Whether it's editing resumes, creating social media posts, or coding small projects, students are entering a labor market where they are their own brand. That's why we need to teach not just budgeting and saving, but also freelancing taxes, client contracts, and how to avoid exploitation when AI enables ultra-fast labor turnaround. To make these lessons stick, integrate real-world challenges, invite guest speakers who are freelancers or entrepreneurs in tech-adjacent fields. Assign a project where students must plan a 6-month gig economy career, managing income, time, and AI tools. Let them experience the trade-offs of flexibility, risk, and responsibility firsthand. This kind of curriculum isn't just about teaching finance, it's about teaching agency, discernment, and adaptability. Students won't all become crypto investors or stock traders, but they will all navigate a world where these tools exist and where AI makes bad decisions seem polished and reliable. The goal isn't to scare students, but to prepare them to ask better questions. How does this tool make money? Who benefits if I follow this advice? What happens if I'm wrong? By rethinking financial literacy through the lens of AI, crypto, stock trading, and the gig economy, educators can give students a chance to practice real decision-making in environments that reflect the world they're already entering. If we wait until they're adults, it's already too late.